Hello guys, mag-harvest tag mga prutas. Ang daming prutas ngayon. Oh, so ngayon harvest tayo. And meron akong camera person here. Dami mga loves, oh. Right here. You think this is good? Oh, right here, honey. Oh, it is good.
They're all good, huh?
No, it's like, you see big?
But, you know, I didn't know big makes a difference, but okay.
Huh?
I didn't know size is a difference here.
Oh, big. Okay. I'm looking for a big one. This is good. I think this is good. Look, it's already ready, hun.
Yep.
It's like very soft. A lot. Oh, look, oh, ang dami. Oh, sa baba, oh. A lot in here. No more, huh? It's on the top. Oh, look how big is that? Oh, look, they're big. I think I need to get a ladder, huh?
Yeah, we
Huh?
have to get on it now. Let's go to a
Come
different
here,
tree.
come here. This one right here. Oh, really? We can hear you. Ooh.
Okay. I'm stepping on a squishy pear.
Baba dito, oh. Look. So, okay, shit. Baba, mga love. Ito, ibigay ko to sa ating kakilala. Man right here. Paano, watch out with your steps, ha? Yung camera ko man, mga loves. Watch out. Right here, mga loves, oh. This is really... I need to bring a ladder here. Because... Can I pick up what's in the ground? Huh?
You could if they're not rotten. What are you doing here?
What am I doing here?
Oh, I see.
Look, oh. Oh, they're like very far. Dito, this is my favorite spots. Because look, it's easy now. I'm gonna pick this up. This is not that right yet. Everything is on top. Like it's up there, look.
That's the ones that the animals can't get to so easy.
And also they're all coming down.
Oh, wind.
Right here, love.
As
Oh,
they get
come on,
ripe,
go,
the
go.
wind knocks them down.
Come on. What's up? Look, oh mga loves. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, oh my goodness. Look. Oh my goodness, oh. There's, this one is big here. This one here. Oh my goodness. Should I get that one here? There's a lot on top of that. So, hindi ko makukuha lahat mga loves kasi it's like very high. Look. Sumakit tuhod ni Mister mga loves. Sumakit ang tuhod. Ang dami nito eh. So, we got a lot of fruits and fruits and fruits. Look, oh. Oh my goodness. Look. Look, oh. Nice. Look, ibigay ko to mga loves. And then, so yun, I think ready na ito talaga. This is all ready, right? Everything is falling down, right? So you think everything is ready?
I don't know.
So, yun.
There already.
Huh?
I'm guessing, but I don't know.
So yun. Ito. Ang dami dito. Look, oh dito, oh. Sobrang baba mga loves, oh. Let's see if this is ready. No, not ready yet. It's matigas pa. Ito. Ito. Oh, ready na siya. Humok na ba? Madali na siyang i-harvest kapag madali na siyang i-ano. Ang ano nakakasad mga loves kasi look, oh. Oh, ang dami sa taas. Oh, nandun, oh. So, yun. Marami pa dito. Oh. Dito. Oh my goodness. Ito, ibigay ko to kasi kay Ate Cathy. So, yan. I guess, let's go na. We're done. We're gonna go. Marami pa sa taas o hindi maabot. So, ha? Yeah, I know. There's ang dami oh. Ang dami pa oh. Hala, ang lalaki talaga. And what? And did you see the ano? It's a lot of them, right? Ang dami, ang laki oh. Ang laki mga loves oh. It's fine, you don't even eat it, hon. It's just like you want to plant it and you don't eat it. So yun mga loves. Ang dami na sa ground oh. Ang dami na oh, natatagak na. Ang sayang nito oh. Look oh. Sayang, ang dami nila oh. Naku. Ang damo gid. Damo gid. So look oh, nasa baba oh. Sobrang baba mga loves oh. This is very low oh. Look at that. Oh. Sa baba na. The anuhan. The deer can eat this, right? They can eat this fruit. Look, ang tatlo oh, tatlo. Tatlo. Ang baba guys oh. Ang baba niya. Meron pa dito. Oh, hello, this is big han. Look. Huh? Come on. Pick it. That one dito. Oh, this one, that's all.
This one doesn't want to come off easy. Guess it's not really ready.
Aray, aray. Kumatok sa ulo ko. Oh. This one is big too. Oh. That's it. Let's go. Tara, uwi na tayo. I'm gonna add one more of the arcani next year. This one, oh. This. I'm gonna buy another one.
One of these things?
Yeah. Is that okay? 80 bucks. Ang ganda kasi niya mga loves. Trailers. So, yan. Wala na talagang lakas, mister. Han. You don't have strength. Strength to carry on. It's a cucumber. Did you see? Yeah. Ang dami na namang bunga, oh. Kahapon ito kinuna ni Loba. Ang dami na naman, oh. Ang daming hinog. Thank you, Han. So, ito na mga loves. So, meron tayong harvest. So, this is go to kaibigan natin. You know, sana okay lang ito. Piras, mga loves. Yes, Roxy, you want some? You want some? Nilagay ko lang siya dito, mga loves. Yeah, leave it there.